Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Protected. My name is Eric. You joined me in my office today and I want to go over a question that I have been asked numerous times by people interested in getting paint protection film installed on their vehicles. And that question is, what is the best paint protection film package for me and my vehicle? This is a bit of a loaded question, but I think I can add a lot of value and a lot of context to this question, or to the answer of this question, I should say. So depending on the kind of vehicle you have, where you live, what your budget is, there's a lot of things that go into play as into helping you, the customer, find the right paint protection film package for your vehicle. A lot of the questions that I ask my customers are, number one, how long are you going to own the vehicle for? Number two, what type of driving do you do? And then number three, what's your budget? Where I'm from in southern Manitoba, Canada, we have pickup trucks everywhere. They seem to outnumber cars at a crazy margin just because of how much farming there is going on around our area. We just have Fords, Chevys, GMCs, Dodges. We just have those trucks everywhere. So we do a lot of pickup trucks. So if you have a pickup truck, I'm just gonna go based off of my place where I live. I'm just gonna kind of go through how I've talked with my customers. If you have a pickup truck, I've always recommend at minimum do the steel painted front bumper. Those steel painted front bumpers, they take a real beating really quick. They're super thin paint and they chip super easily. From there, I often recommend doing the rocker panels, lower doors, lower box sides, basically the entire bottom side of the truck. That's gonna prevent those areas from getting beaten up with rock chips and all that type of stuff. From there, then I would definitely recommend doing protection on the hood and the fenders. Again, this is all gonna come down to, like, if the customer's only got a budget of say $1,500 and they don't want to spend more than that, I'm gonna recommend them doing the bumper and the rocker panel lower door kit and lower box kit. From there, if they have more budget and they want to spend more money, or if they want to keep the vehicle longer, I will go ahead and I will recommend them to do more of the front end, like partial front at the minimum, or a full front end for that matter. And if they want to keep the truck forever and they've got the budget for it and they don't really care how much it's going to cost, then obviously a full wrap. But a full wrap is going to get quite expensive. But then again, if you got the money and you know you want to keep the truck for a minimum of 10 years, then full wrap might be best for you. For small cars, small SUVs, that type of thing, I recommend doing a full front end package. Full front end packages, depending where you're from, full front end packages could probably range anywhere from that $1,800 to $2,500 range, fully installed. But with the full front end, it's the perfect package for small cars, small SUVs, even large SUVs for that matter. Those vehicles, you know, if they're always being driven on highway, on concrete roads, they're not being driven on gravel or dirt roads often, then yeah, full front end is probably gonna be the perfect package for you. It's gonna cover your full hood, full fenders, hopefully your headlights, fog lights, front bumper, that type of thing. And that's a really good standard package for a paint protection film install to get on your vehicle, because it's gonna cover the most high impact areas and provide protection where protection is needed most. From there, if you wanna add more protection, you could also do the rocker panels, lower doors, that type of thing. And then if you've got like a full size SUV, like a GMC Yukon or a Cadillac Escalade, big massive SUVs, I'm gonna kind of lump those in the same category as pickup trucks, at minimum front bumper. From there, do the rocker panels, lower doors, all the way along the bottom side of the vehicle. That's gonna protect the areas that are gonna get hit the most. And then from there, if you wanna add more protection, then same thing with the pickup trucks, add the front end, do the full front end, and then go from there. When is the right time to do a full vehicle wrap? That is a question that I've been asked as well too. And full vehicle wrap is a very, where I'm from, it's a very rare package. We don't do a whole lot of them. But full vehicle wraps are typically left for like the higher end sports cars or the people that really want to keep their vehicle looking brand new for the longest period of time possible. In those situations, then we will wrap the entire vehicle in paint protection film. And yeah, it's just a question that I've been asked, and I thought, you know what, this would be a good chance to make a video of it. I know this is a short video and probably just more so sounds like me rambling, but what is the best protection for you? And I just went by trucks, cars, SUVs, that type of thing, given my local area where I live and what I've recommended to people in the past. So if you guys found value in this video or you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment in the comments section down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.